going to show you how to make this candle holder pedestal thingy using items from the Dollar Tree and some of this bagged vase filler from Dollar General. So stay tuned and I will show you how to make it. Alrighty, y'all, let us get started. So first off, what you're going to need, 2 of these candle holder dishes. These came from the Dollar Tree, and we can zoom in here and there is the size. These are roughly 6 inches in diameter. Now here is a candle holder also from the Dollar Tree. Yes, I went ahead and took the label off of this one because it was a dickens to get off. You'd think that they could make better labels for glassware than what they use. But this is from the Dollar Tree as well. I have a nail file. I have a bag of this vase filler, and this is really cute. This was from Dollar General, $3. It has a bunch of stuff in here. It has some big pieces and here some little pieces. This one looks like a pumpkin. Now they had 2 different color schemes. They had this and then they had some that was like teal, gray, and white, which was also really pretty. This reminds me of slices of almonds. Well, here's an almond ball. Put an almond ball in there. And then I have some E6000. So what I'm going to do first off is I'm going to take this nail file here, or you can use sandpaper, whatever, but I was making a new set of nails today. That's why I have this nail file out, and it works just as well as sandpaper. I'm going to scuff up the edge of this. Why am I doing that? To help the E6000 to adhere just a little bit better. So I'm just going to, ooh, ASMR. So I'm just going right around the ring there, and that will be good enough. I'm also going to scuff up just a little bit of this tray here. Now I don't want to scuff it up too much so that you won't see it. So let's set it down there, and I want to try to see right where that's going to touch. All right, I think I got it. So I'm just going to scuff up just right around there. It don't matter if I scuff up in here because it's going to be covered with our vase filler thingy-mabobs. Yeah, that is a scuffing. Just do it just a little bit more. There we go. Okay, and then I'm also going to do that on this one, kind of like right here in the center, because the center part is also going to be coming into contact with the glass. Scuff it just a little bit. And we're going to scuff his little bottom, because his little bottom is going to be glued to this dish, this plate, this platter, whatever you want to call it. So I'm just scuffing that up a little bit. Trying to not make this fly out of my hand. I've done that before. I've been sanding glass. I've been scuffing up the glass and it just flew out of my hand and went across the room. Anyway, what I'm doing now is I'm going to open this up, and you know what? Where are my scissors? Do I have some scissors? Yeah. I'm not even going to bother with untying this thing. Let's just cut her open. You go over there. Oh, I like this one. Now, see, I'm kind of torn as to whether or not... I was smelling it to see if it had any fragrance. And it does not. It smells like straw. I don't know if I want all of this to go in here, because, you know, it's too big to actually put on the outside. So I guess I will put some in there. But anyway, I might save that little pumpkin for something else. You know what? I might just do that, because these colors go very well with everything in my home, but the pumpkin, you know, wouldn't be able to be used year round. So I might just leave that little guy out so that it can be used some other time. I'm trying to think, let's just put all the small pieces in first. Where are you going? Don't roll away. Oh, you hear that? Don't roll away from me, please. All right. Let's see. I want to put this one. I don't want to. Let's see. one of that color. Let's try to get one of each color. And then let's put this little fluffy fella right there. Because ultimately what I'm going to do is I'm going to run some of that E6000 around the edge there, glue it down, and then we're going to flip it over. Yeah, that could stand to have something else in it. All right, let's press this down in there. Now this great big one here, that's not exactly going to fit. So I have that, and then I have Mr. Fluffy here. Kind of shake it down. Let's see. Okay, that will be a tight fit, but I believe I can get all of those in there. I just have to press it down a little bit. Let's see. Now this is going to take me a minute to try to figure out exactly how I want it. So let me do that. Let me kind of organize these a little bit better than what I have them, and then we'll come back and glue everything together. Hold on 1 minute. All right, so I have everything pressed down in here pretty much the way I want it. This fuzzy one right here, I had to cut his little self in half, and then I just crammed everything down in there. But yeah, these larger ones would not fit, so I'm just going to leave them out and I'll use it for something else. Now this tube of E6000 has about had it. It's a little bit thicker than what it should be, but I'm just going to try to roll with it, okay? I don't feel like going and getting a new tube right now. A new tube on YouTube. So I'm just going to, I mean, it's coming out better than what I thought. I'm just putting a line all the way around. Try not to put too much, because then when you set it down on your dish here, you don't want it to ooze everywhere. There we go. Yeah, I like, when it comes to E6000, I myself prefer to get, you know how you can get a pack that has a 3 or 4 like little mini tubes in it? That's what I prefer. And then you don't have to worry about this problem. All right, let me make sure, you know what, let me put a little bit more right here. Because y'all know me, I like to put nautical rope on everything, so I'm probably going to put some around the bottom of this. I'm trying to see if I have that pressed down. I'm trying to not really press it yet, but I think that is centered pretty well. Yeah, that's centered pretty well. So I'm just going to, there we go, just press that down, and I'm going to leave it like that. And I think I'm going to go ahead and glue on this top one. That way I can put something kind of heavy on top of it and hold it all together. Come on, label. You know what? It looked like it was going to peel off so easily. And now it's not. God, that is really stuck on there. But anyway, that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to remove this label, and then I'm going to glue this one down right on top, and that is what's going to actually hold our candle. So let me work on this label, and I will glue it down and come back, and we'll see if I've decided on whether or not I want to put some rope on it. Hold on. Okay, so now I have my hot glue gun, and I have this cord. You can get this at Walmart, pretty much any craft store. Now I am out of the Dollar Tree brand, which is why I'm using this. And my glue is not quite hot enough, so I just really had to squeeze that on there. But anyway, now I'm just going to take a little bit of this cord and glue it right around the bottom. I know this is hard to see. You know, I wasn't thinking when I put the top on, you know, about how hard it would be to see when I came back. But, oh well. So now we're just going to turn this around and put a little bit of glue just to cover up. Jeez. Amber, let the glue heat up a little more. Yeah, just to cover up like the very, very bottom edge, because I don't like how plain it is where the glass meets the glass. I hate that. Oh, there we go. Now it's flowing. Oh, it's flowing. And we're just going to press this down. Or maybe something was clogging up the nozzle. I don't know. I'm trying to be so careful here and get it like right along the edge. There we go. That's a lot better. Because this rope here that I'm using, this cording, it's not nearly as thick as the kind from Dollar Tree, so I don't want to, I don't want the glue hanging out. You don't want your glue hanging out. There we go, much better. I just wanted to hurry up and get this done so I can get my candle setting on it. Even though the E6000 has not set up and cured, I just want to hurry up and get it up on my shelf. Y'all can probably hear my kitten out there meowing. All right, so now before I trim that rope off, I'm just going to let it sit there and let that glue harden. There we go, and I'm going to call that done. I think that's good. I like it. So let me trim this off. And then I'm going to put just a tiny little amount of glue there. Oops, I'm moving out of frame here. I didn't realize I was pushing it off to the side. Okay, I'm just going to hold that down for that glue to set up, and then it'll be ready. I'm going to set my candle. Like I said, even though this glue is not set up, I just want to hurry up and get it on my shelf. Y'all ever do that? Y'all ever like make something and you're just in such a big hurry to display it? You just really want to get it up on the shelf or wherever you're putting it, your door if it's a wreath. All right, so there is that. And of course, y'all can get a better look of it, a better look at it at the beginning of the video. And if you'll stick around till the ending of the video, I will also put another photo so that you can get another look at it. But anyway, it is done. So I hope that you enjoyed this one. Not difficult, and it looks like it costs more than what it actually does. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. If you would, please give my video a thumbs up. Click subscribe. Check me out on other forms of social media, the links to all of which will be in the description box down below. And I hope to see y'all next time. Bye.